Hello friends, welcome back to my tutorial video. In our lesson today, we are looking for the value of x in this diagram. That is the length of the triangle at this position. So to solve this, we make use of sine rule. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over what? Sine C. We are using two ratios at a time, depending on the side of information that we have. So to simplify, we have 30 as the angle here and 6, the opposite of the angle. We have x and 60 facing themselves. So we are using B and C. This angle and this angle are B. So we are using these two guys to simplify. Therefore, B is the length of B. Since here is B, the length of B is 6. I will have 6 over sine angle at B, which is 30. And then C is length C, which is opposite of C. We don't have it, which is x. And then the angle is 60, so sine 60. So to simplify, we cross multiply. When we have cross multiplied, we are going to have x to be 6 sine 60 over sine 30. Now, the trigonometric identity of sine 60 is root 3. Root 3 over 2. So we'll have 6 root 3 over 2 over trig identity of sine 30 is 1 over 2. Then we simplify. This is same as 6 3 root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, taking the reciprocal of 1 over 2 to multiply. So this 2, we take away this 2. We have 6 root 3. And that becomes the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video and share it to your friends and follow for more interesting tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.